Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I have resumed producing the music from the book that I have published, Kisur Jingruai LYNTI BNENG, and I have collected also a few numbers of this Tantumergo or Tongin Dem Yamani. You see the feature in our churches that we have benediction every time, and so in the benediction we sing the same tune again and again. Sound boring, but actually I have collected the Tantumergo or Tongin Dem Yamani. It's around 7-8 of them, so they are the same wording but tunes are different. Actually these tunes are not new, they are very old. When we are young, so we used to sing them, only that we don't know them, and so we say it is new tune. So I just want to revise these old tunes so that it becomes new. When you newly sing, it becomes new. And a variety. During the benediction, we have variety of Tongin Dem Yamani or Tantumergo. So you will get this first one that I am presenting today is number 3 in my collection, Tongin Dem Yamani. Please listen to it carefully and sing it prayerfully. Tongin Dem Yamani Yaka sakramenduan Kten kularka nyambarim La ulong hanyam Kristan Dajing et ngiplang ibat Jeng mayang imla iman Haupabat haukun Kaburom bajeng yaro Kaayubat jengkerku Na upai Kristan baru Humen sembakut utra